Hi viewers, thanks for subscribing to Cooking with Karthini Kannan. I'm Karthini Kannan and today we are going to look at a healthy snack. Instead of your usual potato chips, we are going to have a healthy chips today, which is kale chips, using only 4 ingredients, which is kale, oil, salt and pepper. Then we are also baking it, so we are not frying these chips, an even healthier option. To do these kale chips is really simple. Come follow me and we'll bake some kale chips for our snacks today. To prepare kale chips, it's really very easy. All you need are 3 ingredients. Firstly, we look at kale. This is how kale looks like. The freely part of the leaves are what we'll be using to make the chips. Oil and also salt and pepper for flavoring. That's it. So first, in a tray, add some oil and just spread it out on the tray along with a little bit of salt and also a little bit of pepper. In here we are going to toss in our kale leaves. And also repeat the step that we did just now, a little bit more oil on the top along with some salt and pepper. Okay. And now just make sure that the oil, salt and pepper coats every leaf equally, because it will be crisping in the oven later when we bake it. These chips are baked and not fried, so it's much healthier, and you're also consuming kale in a fun way. Kale is in the family of the Brussels family, so Brussels sprouts, gailan and all are under the same family, which is kale. So it has a slightly bitter taste, but when you make chips out of it, it's really very tasty and you'll find it very crispy as well. As I showed you just now, kale also has stalks, so the stalks can be reserved to do another dish. So I have well coated the leaves here. Normally leafy green vegetables you can't make chips out of it because it wilts very easily or too much of moisture is released. But in this situation, kale is quite sturdy, so when you bake it to do chips, it will maintain the shape and also it will be crisp later on when you bake it. So now this is going to go into an oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. Ready, it's just out of the oven. It took around 10 to 15 minutes at a 200 degrees Celsius oven. It's really crisp and nice. Some are a little darkened, that's normal because it's high temperature, but you can hear the sound of it. So now that it's done, you can even hear the sound. Crispy and very nice. To get an even color, you can also spread it out on a baking tray so that it doesn't stick to one another. Then you'll get it all even. So these are the kale chips. As you can see, it's very crispy and nice. And also when you bite into it, it still has the crisp there. Can you hear the sound? That's exactly the sound of a crispy kale chips. So just using 3 ingredients, you are able to recreate kale chips at home. I do hope you try this recipe for kale chips, and I'll see you in my following episodes with more interesting recipes. I'm Karthini Kannan and you are watching Cooking with Karthini Kannan.